I just wanna be the one you love. Lost all ambition, worthy of claim. I just wanna be the one you love.
Today I am finally doing a lookbook, which is something that I really wanted to do for a long time. These are some things that I am really wearing outside, either with a really thick jacket over it or some really thick leggings underneath, but I'm still wearing it. And if you're new to my channel, I put a poll in every single video, so click somewhere in the screen right now to vote on a random poll, which I know you guys really like my random polls, so I'll keep doing them. The first outfit is definitely my new favorite. I got this thrifted witchy velvet top for €5 from the thrift store that I'm currently doing my internship at. The sleeves are so wide and it kind of makes me feel like a really groovy hippie. I am so happy I found this top, and I keep obsessing over it because it keeps me so warm in the winter time. This top is perfect for a dinner party or a night out, but let's be honest, I never go out because I rather stay home and watch Netflix because I'm so #relatable and quirky and different. But no, really, if I could wear this top every day, I will never get tired of it. By the way, I also got this rug and this ladder from the same thrift store. I might have a little thrifting obsession since I've been doing my internship there. One thing that I like to do in the winter is grab my summer items, throw a sweater over it, and boom, I got myself a winter wardrobe. It's honestly too cold in the Netherlands to wear a dress or a skirt, but that didn't stop me. So I'm wearing this dress that I got from Bershka that I've been obsessing over all summer, and I threw over this sweater that I got back in Norway, and now I have the perfect Instagram girl outfit. Honestly, this outfit always boosts my self-esteem, and it's one of my favorites to wear when it's not that cold out. And I'm wearing it with the same pair of shoes that I'm wearing every day because these are the only ones that I can wear with thick socks so my toes don't freeze off. I'm also pairing this sweater with another piece of my summer wardrobe, these plaid pants that I used to be really out of my comfort zone, but they are my favorite pants now. These are my favorite pants I've ever owned. So thank you to 𝐤𝐲 and 𝐷𝑚 for hyping me up on these pants when I bought them, because else I would never have bought these. And if I was a cartoon character, these are the pants that will be my everyday outfit. Honestly, I love these so much. Okay, so recently I took a wild risk and I ordered a dress on AliExpress. And this is what I got. Yes, it took a long time to ship, and yes, the quality is kind of bad. And yes, it's not as long as it looks like in the pictures. But for €8 and free shipping, I am pretty satisfied. These are one of those dresses that I've been seeing a lot on Instagram, and I really like the sun and moon pattern, so I wanted to risk it and get these. I'm wearing it over a black long sleeve and a oversized thrifted jacket that I got at my internship. And this outfit is one of my new favorites. I haven't had the time to wear this out yet because it's been getting colder and colder lately. But until now, it's cute enough for selfies and boosting my confidence. I also got a skirt last month that I've already shown you guys in my favorites video. It kind of reminds me of Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and that's why I like it so much. And I'm just pairing this with literally anything black that I have laying around in my closet. And as a jacket, I'm currently wearing this fake fur vintage jacket that my mom got 20 years ago and saved for some reason. But I am wearing it now and I really like it, so thank you, Mom. And last but not least, my cozy plant mom sweater, aka the only sweater that actually keeps my tiny body warm, since for some reason I am always cold. I got this last year and I love it so much. This is the only pink item in my entire wardrobe, but I think it's really cute. And it perfectly goes with my mom jeans, so it looks really cozy and artsy and plum on me. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I wish you all a great week, a great year, a great month, and a great year. And until next week.